This is like take 6 of this intro. For some reason, just as a heads up, I'm in a very like giddy, like type mood. I don't know what's wrong, but just ignore that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year's. It is New Year's Eve and I have plans tonight. So obviously, well, I don't know if it's obvious, but every year for New Year's I want to start my year like looking good and feeling good, so I get full glam. Yeah, so I wanted to try something a little different hairstyle wise this year. This is actually a style that I've never done. I don't think I've ever done any type of styles using, is it Kaynk-Kuh-Lon or Kaynk-Kuh-Lon or it's Kaynk-Kuh-Lon. Why do people say Kaynk-Kuh-Lon on YouTube? That get on my nerve. Had me thinking I was ignorant. Kaynk-Kuh-Lon. That's what I'm calling it. Kaynk-Kuh-Lon hair. I've never done any type of hairstyles using this hair. So I went and got a pack from the beauty store and I was like, I'm going to give this a try. And I love it. It comes like past my belly button. Yeah. This is cute. But anyway, this is my first time, as I mentioned, so you will see a few little struggles. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm not gonna make it seem like I just perfect, because I didn't, and you will see those struggles, but we got it together in the end. One thing that I did not mention was if you have any hairs like of your hair that's sticking out of the braid, don't try to like take it all the way apart and get them in there perfectly. All I did, since my hair is straight, I just took my finger and I stuck it in there. I just stuck that hair back in there and it stayed. And if you want to use some hairspray, you can do that too, but I didn't want to do that. So yeah, this is it. If you like my Jumbo Goddess Queen Sheba braid, then keep watching. Other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video if you like it, and follow me on social media, and Happy New Year, and I'll see you next time, and I gotta get dressed, so bye. So for the sake of this video, I will be starting off on straight hair. I did film me straightening my hair, so if you would like to see that, please leave a comment below and let me know. So basically, I found my part, and then I fixed my edges up to my own liking, and just pulled my hair back in a simple ponytail. There's not much to that, therefore I did not show very much of it. I do use 2 different brushes though, so a soft bristled brush to smooth my hair down, and then a harder bristle brush to actually move my hair, get the lumpiness out, and get a very sleek, happy ponytail. Cool. Moving on. So in order to attach the Kaynk-Kuh-Lon hair to my head, I am basically just making it uneven at the bottom. I'm taking a hair tie, just a regular hair tie, and looping it around the middle of the Kaynk-Kuh-Lon hair. That's going to create a little loop so that I can just tie that around my ponytail. Hopefully that makes sense. So I think I did a really good job of showing this. I was actually proud of myself. But basically I just wrapped the ponytail holder around my ponytail the same way you would just putting your hair in a ponytail. And I did that twice. It was a lot easier than what I was expecting it to be. So I was really happy about it. The hard part for me was the fact that, number one, my hair is silkier than the Kaynk-Kuh-Lon hair. And trying to separate that big old thing of hair into 3 sections and my hair into 3 sections and then braid them together. I'm not very good at braiding, so this was a bit of a struggle for me. So this was like my first attempt of doing it. And not only did I have like a bunch of pieces of hair sticking out, I also had like parts where I pulled the braid tighter and then it was looser. So it was like different sizes. And I was like, oh crap, I don't think this is going to work. Maybe I should make a bun. But then I tested it and I was like, I don't really think I'm feeling the bun. That's not the look that I had in mind. Let's redo the braid. I think total I redid my braid 3 times. 1 time was off camera because I was trying to get it right. But what I'm showing you now was my 3rd attempt. Basically, I was more aware of how much tension I was putting on the braid. And while I did have some teeny tiny hairs sticking out, I did fix that later. Hey, shout out to the people that braid hair for a living and all those people that do micros and all that stuff, because I am not about that life. This was, like, it wasn't that bad, but I can only imagine doing small braids and all of that. No, not for me. But here we go. Here we go. We're almost there. Almost there. Stretch it out. Come on. Alrighty, so the braid is done. I did not do a cutesy little demo video. I'm sorry for the end result, but here's my little pieces that I'm just literally just using my finger and sticking those back in. And I'm just going to throw in some pictures of me fully dressed from that night so you can kind of get a glimpse of what it looked like, because again, I didn't do a cutesy little outro video. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I hope you guys like it, and I say this in every video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.